Myself, Mr. Shelar RT from Madhura Borosti Vidyalay, Ozar. I will teach you mathematics subject. In the mathematics part second, first lesson similarity. The next point is similar triangle. In this point, two triangles are given, triangle A, B, C and D, E, F. In this triangle, angle A is congruent to angle D, angle B is congruent to angle E and angle C is congruent to angle F. Then side AB upon side DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF, and hence the triangle ABC and triangle DEF are the similar triangle, and this similarity is expressed in this manner: triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. In this whole diagram, the two things are very important. First is angle of the first triangle is corresponding angle of the second triangle are congruent. Means here this is the first triangle, angle A is congruent to the second triangle, angle D, and in this way these three angles are congruent to the given another one triangles other three angles, and hence these conditions and another one condition is sides of the given triangles are also important. Means the first triangle side AB is proportional to the second triangle side DE. In this manner, all side of that given triangle is corresponding to the second triangle, and hence these two triangles are similar and they will be expressed in this manner: triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Then test of similarity of triangle. Now similarity of two triangles is necessary conditions are that their corresponding sides are in same proportion. Corresponding sides are in same proportion and their corresponding angles are congruent. Out of these conditions, when three specific conditions are fulfilled, the remaining conditions are automatically fulfilled, and hence the similarity of two triangles, only three specific conditions are sufficient. The similarity of two triangles can be confirmed by testing these three conditions. The group of such sufficient conditions are called as test of the similarity. In this total conditions, only three conditions are very important. They will be fulfilled and then automatically all conditions are fulfilled, and hence first test is angle test or AAA test for the similarity of triangle. In these conditions, the two triangles are given, then its vertices of one triangle is corresponding to the vertices of the another one triangle. Means what? Actually the triangle ABC is also one triangle and triangle PQR is also another one triangle, and in this two triangle correspond to the ABC vertices is correspond to vertices PQR, and they will be written here ABC is correspond to the PQR, and hence angle P is congruent to angle P, angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R, and then the first triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. In this way the test of similarity angle test is completed, but its theorem is here, proof is here. In this test, suppose these and triangle ABC and triangle PQ are given, and in this data triangle ABC and triangle PQR is the given angle A congruent angle P congruent angle angle B congruent angle Q angle C congruent angle R. Means what? Actually the first diagrams angle A is congruent to second diagram angle P, and then in such way that this whole another one angle is congruent to the another angles, and then to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now for that prove some assumptions is clear here. Suppose the triangle ABC is bigger than the triangle PQR, and they will be in such way that the point M on the side AB and point N on the side AC in such way that AM is equal to PQ, AM is equal to PQ, and AN is equal to PR. Now shows that the triangle AMN is congruent to the triangle PQR, and hence MN parallel to BC. Here AM is equal to PQ and AN is equal to PR, and obviously MN is equal to QR. Means what? Actually this triangle AMN is congruent to triangle PQR, and hence the MN is parallel to the BC. Now using the basic proportionality theorem, AM upon MB is equal to AN upon NC. Then the AM upon MB is equal to NC upon AN by inheritando condition. Therefore MB plus AM upon AM, here also using componendo trigonometric property, and then is equal to NC plus AN upon AN. After that this MB plus AM means what? Actually MB plus AM is equal to AB, and AN plus NC is equal to AC. These two values are added here, AB and AC. Then AB upon MB is equal to AC upon NC, and then AB upon PQ. Here also AM, this value of AM instead value is added PQ, and then AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. This PR also from instead of AN PR is there, and then similarly it can be shown that the AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Now in this way AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Means the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Then second condition is angle test for the similarity of triangle. We know that the given corresponding vertices, when the two angles of a triangle are congruent to the two corresponding angle of the other triangle, then remaining angle of the first triangle is congruent to the remaining angle of the second triangle. Means two angle of one triangle are congruent to the two corresponding angle of the another triangle, then this condition is sufficient for similarity of the two triangles, and this condition is also known as angle test similarity. Then side test of similarity of triangle. For the given corresponding vertices of the two triangles, if the two pair of corresponding sides are the same proportion in the angle between them are congruent. Now listen here, in this triangle KLM and REST, this side's KL is a proportion to the another one triangle corresponding side RES, means KL upon RES. And then Same, this on one side LM for the first triangle KLM is corresponding to the side ST, and hence these two sides is corresponding to the these two sides, and these two sides between angle is corresponding congruent to the second triangle angle, and hence this is also known as side angle side test, means SAS test. Here also written in the given two triangle KLM and RST, angle KLM is congruent to angle RST, means this angle R and this angle S is congruent. Then KL upon RS is equal to LM upon ST is equal to 2 upon 3, and hence therefore the triangle KLM is similar to the triangle RST. Another one test is SSS test for the similarity of triangle. Here for the given corresponding vertices of the two triangle, when three sides of the one triangles are in proportion to the corresponding three sides of the another triangle, then the two triangles are also similar. Here triangle PQR and triangle XYZ is given. In this triangle PQ is a proportion, side PQ is a proportion to the side XY, side YZ. Then side QR is a proportion to the side XY, and then side PR is a proportion to the side XZ, and hence these two triangles are similar to each other. So the next point, properties of the similar triangle. So the first property is a triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC, means what? Actually the each and every triangle is similar to itself. Each and every triangle is similar to itself. This is also triangle ABC, and this triangle is similar to this, means each and every triangle is similar to itself. Then the triangle ABC is similar to the triangle DEF. Then this DEF is is again similar to triangle ABC, and it is also known as symmetry. Then in the third property is, if the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and triangle DEF is similar to another one triangle GHI, then this first triangle ABC is similar to this third triangle GHI, means it is also known as transitivity property. And here in this transitivity property, first triangle is similar to second triangle, this second triangle is similar to third triangle, and this third triangle is similar to again first triangle, or this first triangle is similar to that last third triangle. And hence here this theoretical part is completed. Student then going to the practice set 1.3.